Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to professionally retouch skin in Photoshop and achieve smooth, natural, and flawless results without losing texture. So, if you're ready to take your portrait editing skills to the next level, let's dive right in. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Copy the layer. And convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter to Nose and add Median. 70 for pixels to OK. Then Ctrl+Shift+ and to New Layer. Then Blending Mode to Multiply. Then fill with overlay neutral color 50% gray. Then OK. Then next convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter to Nose and add Nose. Again go to Filter option and Blur to Gaussian Blur. And select the top layer and rename the original texture. Then go to Filter option and Other to High Pass. Add this following options. Then select the blending mode to Linear Light. All layers select to Group. Then double-click the group layer and applying the underlying layer. Then press Alt to click mask icon. Then take the brush tool to make it soft round, and foreground color is white, then flow 20% to OK. Just brushes the subject spot area. And that's it, a professional skin retouching technique made simple in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.